Okay. Um, well, I'm here again. And well, today was mm, a chill day. Yeah, it wasn't really clear. EU maybe was clear, but Nasdaq no. And I didn't take any trade, but I'm going to explain it right now. Okay, well, I can see here. Okay, so where do I start? Well, on H1, we had this relevant liquidity taken here that broke this high as we had all these days. So we could expect it a reaction. Maybe we will continue lower, okay? Uh, and well, we had here like two breaks of structure up to induce buyers, and then we had this break here. So my relevant liquidity on H1 was here, okay? As you can see, on M5 we will see that this high is the one that had the relevant liquidity. As here it created like, well, it took this high, but for me it was this one. Yeah, and this downtrend here, okay? So my expectation was to take this relevant liquidity here. Um, yeah, this relevant liquidity here, which was the one that broke this structure and took this here, okay? And at the end of the day, at the beginning of the day, we didn't had this candle here, okay? So as you can see, we have the downtrend here. Sorry, the relevant liquidity in H1, and this was the high on H1 that took this low here, okay? So my first target was here, and my second target was here. Perfect. So here breaking structure up, inducing buyers, taking the relevant liquidity. Here breaking structure, this was relevant liquidity too for me. So first of all, we had this break of structure here, so relevant liquidity on M5. It takes the relevant liquidity on H1, and then we take the relevant liquidity on M5, and we don't go up. It just takes the relevant liquidity on M1, and with this candle, this is why I need engulfing candles, like big engulfing candles, because are the ones that really confirm sometimes. So we took the relevant liquidity on M1, and then I entered here, but not on MetaTrader because I had the chart like this. Okay, so I thought that this candle was like so big, and I wanted to wait. I waited these candles here, and I didn't take the trade. And I thought about it, but I didn't take it. And then it went all the way down. It nearly takes out us with break even here, but it didn't do it. And then in New York, well, we had this like relevant liquidity on M1 taken, then this relevant liquidity here, and then this relevant liquidity on M5, which I adapted, and I didn't wanted to trade this because I thought it would take this high, which was the one that broke this. So it broke a structure, and then it took relevant liquidity and it went down. Okay, with the trend line, perfect reversal here. And now it took the relevant liquidity on H1. So yeah, I placed the trade here, but never placed the trade on MetaTrader. As you can see, I am down 1,900, 1,800 more or less. As yesterday I had 4 stop losses, but I think they were correct trades and good trades, and I respected my rules and everything, so I'm happy. And today I'm happy too because I only had this trade. I didn't take it because I wanted to have more risk reward, and I thought it was too big, but in the end it was nice, and I should have taken it in 6.8 pips, but as you can see, it is worth it. So yeah, my mistake or not, I thought it was correct to wait, so I think it's okay, and I don't care, like that. My analysis was correct, so for me it's like a TP, okay. And then Nasdaq, well, as you can see on H1, it's pretty difficult. We had like we took this liquidity here. I thought we would take this liquidity here, but we didn't. And we had like an uptrend here. As you can see, it reacted perfectly here. I think I'm gonna take, yeah, eliminate that. And then on M5, well, the left we took this relevant liquidity here taken too. Relevant liquidity and relevant liquidity. So my next relevant liquidity was here, down here, which I think we're gonna take it soon. And then after that, I was looking probably for I don't know, I wasn't sure. It was pretty difficult on Nasdaq today. Okay, so we had this break of structure here, relevant liquidity taken. Maybe this low, but this is okay too. Downtrend. So my idea here was to look for buys. Okay. Now that I see that, we took this liquidity, and now that I see this, I think this was a perfect trade, and I don't know why I didn't take it. Okay. I think I was too focused on M1, and probably it was a really nice trade here. As you can see, we broke structure, we took the relevant liquidity on M5. And well, and I think this was a pretty good trade here. Yep. Maybe here, but no, here probably 127. So yeah, I think it's my mistake. I should analyze on M5, but it wasn't clear for me, so that's why I didn't trade it. I thought it could take maybe slow, so well, pretty difficult, but yeah, it is a good trade for me. And then we broke this relevant liquidity here. Well, this structure here, it's like something like this, maybe this here. I think it's better because we broke this low, and the one that broke these highs, all these highs, it's this low. So we went here, we took this liquidity, and then it took this liquidity and it went up, taking all the relevant liquidity all the way up without taking the other high. As you can see, it respected it. I'm gonna look at on M1 because, well, you can't trade here, like it's so difficult to trade here. You can't look for a trade, like it's extreme and I don't like it. And then it went all the way down, and I'm gonna see if has some sort of reaction here, but we could go here too. Okay, what I like is that we didn't take this high, so probably we can take this low and go higher, or take this low and go higher, or continue lower, because the macro is so fucked up. So yeah, it is what it is. And well, this was my day. I'm happy because I had only one trade, and I didn't took it on MetaTrader, but I took it on TradingView. I had no stop losses. I waited for my confirmations, so I'm happy with that. As you can see, both of them had this engulfing candle here, engulfing candle like taking two candles. Here the same on M1. On M1, engulfing candle taking two candles. So yeah, always better to wait for this confirmation. And this is it for today. So see you tomorrow.